WaterWorks kind of talks about water and how it works and how it's useful to plants and animals and to people and to the environment on a whole.
The zoo was perfect to go to the camp because I love animals and amphibians and reptiles and stuff like that.
We kind of start off the week and we learn about water and water properties, you know, like it's a solid, a liquid, and a gas, and how it moves. And then today we worked with how water gets cleaned naturally through an aquifer.
An aquifer is something that water goes through. There's sand at the top, and then there's clay, and then rocks. If there's pollution in the water, the rocks and the gravel and stuff, the pollution goes up and the water sinks down to the water tables.
And then we also learned about how things like pollution can affect the water. And we did an activity that dealt with pollution in the water and how, as it goes up the food chain, how it affects the animals. So it's kind of an accumulation of activities that kind of teach the kids in a fun way how important water is, what it does, how we need to save it, you know. And then we end, at the very end of the week, we go to the Conservation Center at the Phoenix Zoo and we learn about how conserving animals and conserving water kind of works hand in hand.
These are important lessons. If we don't know them, then we might just say, oh, there goes another species extinct, and we don't need those frogs. But it's actually, we need everything in the world, because if one thing dies, everything else dies.
Seeing the kids out there learning and getting excited, I mean, you'll see them today. They'll be screaming because they'll find all these cool things. And to me, that's what teaching is all about, is just helping them see a way to learn where they can understand it and maybe where they can try to change the world a little bit too. Okay? Cool, excellent.
Okay.